Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if you do have your PIN not accepted in your Nubia Air phone. So we have actually two ways of doing it and getting our phone access to this back again without the data loss. The first one is the contact brand and contact the contact brand support for the account recovery options. This is the first thing. If you contact the brand support, they may recover your account, recover your phone, and everything should be fine, but you have to have the proof of ownership. This is the first thing. The second thing is that you have to visit the authorized service center with proof of ownership, and they will do this in two ways. The first one is with the data loss. The second one is without the data loss, but I think that the more likely option is that they will do it with the data loss. So if you want to do this same without paying them anything, because it's your issue, your problem, and it's your fault, you have to go here. And now what you have to do is to power off your phone. Hold the power button, tap power off, and then power off. Now wait a moment. And now what to do is you have to hold the power button and volume up button. Now as you can see, we're in the Android recovery, and we have to click the volume down button to enter here. Wipe data, search factory reset. Click the power button, volume down, and power here factory data reset. This will make your phone reset, and you have to set up your phone back again. But you have to remember that every single Android phone has the Android Google FRP limit on it, so you have to remember your own Google password that was previously the dual account that was previously logged in on this phone. And actually that is for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.